The update is we're sleeping here tonight instead of a hotel because it's cheaper. And then we could just wake up, work, go to sleep, take a nap, get back to work. What's left to do is still do the alignments. And yeah, we still have to mess with the wall, probably finish that and clean up.
Terminated 2 different types of cables. I've terminated just regular Cat 6. And out of that, I've done 13. Now I'm working, the remaining is Cat 6A shielded cable.
How many more do you have?
Yeah, so I'm gonna space out these cabinets a little more than the space we already gave it because the panels are a little too tight. So spread them out a little, slapping right in.
Yeah, we still have to mess with the wall, probably finish that and clean up. Scaffold set up. Got these custom enclosures in here. Speaker wires behind it. In here, I had them add some holes for some ventilation up here on the top. We're gonna take this plastic off. We're gonna populate this guy. Hopefully we get this stuff all done. This whole room done today. We'll be pretty much caught up on the LED side. After a 3-month hiatus, back on our sponsor, Berry Lemonade. Yesterday, we were building the ceiling. There's a discrepancy on the depth of the ceiling. So now you can see they furred out the ceiling. So you drop it down 2 1/4 or something. LED now will be a 1/2 inch above the edge of the cove. We got a couple weird glitches, but he said keep populating, bro. He said just keep going. It's the last LED wall of 2025, bro. 2 sidewalls and a ceiling. Can you believe it, dude? Can you believe it? Can you believe it, dude?
Talking LED walls, baby.